Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is Instagram quiet mode or what is the meaning of quiet mode on Instagram. So how you can turn this on or turn this off. So basically I am going to tell you how you can use the quiet mode or what is quiet mode on Instagram. Basically a quiet mode is the notification settings on Instagram which is default for 7 to 7:11 p.m. to 7 a.m., which means you cannot receive a notification for this period. And if you want to set a timing for that, you can also do that, which means if you want to set notification timings, which means quiet mode, then you can also use custom timings for that. For example, if you turn this on, then you will not get the notification from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. And moreover, you can also change these timings whatever you want. For example, if you want to click to 12 a.m. or anything you want, you can simply do that. But if you do not select time range and simply turn this on quiet mode, then it will be default from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., which means you can not receive the notification for this timing. And after that, if you find any kind of notification, then it will be a summary of that notification you received that night. So here you can simply turn this off, quiet mode, and if you do not want to use it. But if you turn this on and simply want to use it, then it will be default from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and it is very easy to use, and you will not be disturbed by the Instagram notification. So which means this quiet mode will be very useful for you if you want to sleep well. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.